Hi there. Today I work a little project to refresh my C programming skills. So I decided to build a simple bank system. So nothing fancy, but enough to practice the struts, file handling, and basic operations like adding customers, deposits, and withdrawals. So yeah, so let's get started. So the idea is I wanted my program to do four main things. So first is add customers, view all customers, three, deposit money, four, withdraw money, and of course, an exit option safely. So I stored customer records in a binary file like bank dot file so that the data stays even if I close the program. So first is defining a customer. So I made a strut called customer which holds an ID which unique for each customer, a name up to 50 characters, a balance, it would be a float to handle cents. This way I can treat each customer as a neat little package of data. So adding a customer. When adding a new customer, I ask for an ID, name, and initial balance. Then I open my file in append mode AB so I don't overwrite some existing records. So finally, I save the struct to the file with fwrite function. So why? Because I want my data permanent, not just living in memory. Displaying customers. This function reads all the records from the file and prints them nicely. So here I use fread function in a loop to fetch one customer at a time. This is likely saying read the file until there's nothing left. Then for the deposit money, here's where it's get interesting. So I ask for the customer ID. I read through the file until I find the matching record. When I find it, I increase their balance. Then I move the pointer back with fseek function and overwrite the record with the updated data. That fseek function is super important, otherwise I'll just keep appending instead of updating the data. Then we have the withdraw money. So withdrawing works like deposits, but with a little safety checking. So if the withdrawal amount is greater than the balance, I blocked it. Otherwise, I reduce the balance and save the updated record back into the file. For the main menu, this is just a simple infinite loop menu that lets me pick what I wanted to do. Each chose calls one of the function. If I pick 5, the program exits. So, in summary, this was a fun little refresher program or project that I got. So, I got to practice the structs to group the customer information together, then the file handling to save the data permanently, pointers and file positioning using the fseek function, fwrite function, and fread function, and also the basic program flow with menus. It may not be a real bank system, but it shows how we can handle or how I can handle the real world like data in C. It may not be a real bank system, but it shows how we can handle real world like data in C. So that's all. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.